Have you ever wondered if all the nutritional advice you've heard is actually true? In the realm of nutrition, myths and misconceptions are as common as apples in an orchard. They permeate our daily lives, shaping our dietary choices, often leading us astray. In this enlightening journey, we'll debunk some of the most widespread nutrition myths, shedding light on the truth that lies beneath the layers of misinformation. So buckle up and prepare to have your food beliefs challenged. Let's dive into the world of nutrition myths and facts. First up on our list of myths is the idea that eating late at night causes weight gain. This belief has been around for a while, and it seems logical, right? You're not active while you're sleeping, so the food you eat late at night would just sit there, turning into fat. But here's the thing. Science tells us otherwise. Research suggests that it's not the timing of your meals that matters. It's your total caloric intake throughout the day. If you consume more calories than you burn, regardless of when you eat, you'll gain weight. Conversely, if you burn more calories than you consume, you'll lose weight. It's as simple as that. A study published in the Nutrition Journal found no link between the time of day one eats and weight gain. What mattered was the total calories consumed over 24 hours. So remember, it's not about when you eat, but how much you eat that matters. Our next myth is that all fats are bad for you. This widespread belief has led many to adopt low-fat or fat-free diets. But is it really grounded in truth? Let's bust this myth wide open. Fats are not the enemy. In fact, they play an essential role in our bodies, providing energy, supporting cell growth, and aiding in the absorption of certain nutrients. The real issue lies in the type of fat we consume. There are two main types: saturated and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats, found in foods like butter, cheese, and red meat, can increase your risk of heart disease if consumed in excess. However, unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil can actually improve your heart health. So instead of cutting out fats completely, try to include more healthy, unsaturated fats in your diet. Remember, not all fats are created equal. Some are essential for our health. The third myth we're debunking today is that carbs lead to weight gain. Now this one is a classic. Many of us have been led to believe that pasta, bread, and all those delicious carbohydrate-rich foods are the ultimate villains in the story of our health. But let's set the record straight. Carbohydrates are not inherently fattening. In fact, they're a vital source of energy. Your body needs carbs to function properly, especially if you're physically active. The key, as with most things in life, is balance. It's not about removing carbs from your diet. It's about understanding portion control. Research shows that weight gain is more about the total calories consumed than where those calories come from. Whether it's carbs, fat, or protein, eating more than your body needs will lead to weight gain. So the next time you're eyeing that bowl of pasta, remember, carbs aren't the culprits. Overconsumption is. So carbs are not the enemy, overeating is. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started off by debunking the myth that eating late at night causes weight gain. Remember, it's not about the time you eat, but the total number of calories you consume throughout the day that matters. We then moved on to the common misconception that all fats are bad for you. As we discussed, not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, fish, and nuts are essential for our body and brain function. Next, we tackled the myth that carbs lead to weight gain. In fact, carbohydrates are a necessary part of a balanced diet, providing the energy our bodies need to perform at their best. What's important is choosing complex carbs like whole grains and fruits over simple carbs like sugar and white bread. In all these myths, we see a common pattern: oversimplification. Nutrition is a complex field, and it's important to consider the whole picture rather than isolating single elements. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, along with regular exercise, is the key to maintaining a healthy weight and lifestyle. So, let's not fall for these common nutrition myths that can lead us astray. Remember, when it comes to nutrition, it's important to do your own research and not believe everything you hear. Stay healthy,